Hi to everyone. I must admit that I'm really happy to be here today. Exactly 1 year ago, I was participating in the same event here in London. And although our journey just started at this time with Nexthink and together with our partner Accenture, after the event, I felt so energized to embrace the journey and unfold the potential of Nexthink. And I met Pedro, and I promised to him something. If we make progress, I will be back here to share our Siemens experience. And I'm happy to share that the promise has become a reality, and I really hope that you will feel the same I felt last year. So let's start our Siemens story. But who is Siemens? Siemens is a leading technology company. We create, Siemens is a leading technology company. We create technology to transform the everyday for everyone. And we, the IT digital workplace team of Siemens, transforms the everyday of our employees. We empower our people, we empower our employees by providing modern workplace experiences with a clear ambition. We build the team of the future, and we want to become data and AI driven. But how does it look like? And I want all of you having a dream. Let's have a dream together. Let's imagine a world where IT support is so seamless. You don't even notice. Our employees don't even notice. That's what we call touchless IT. And this should be our goal. Let's imagine a world where we anticipate our employees' needs before they even realize them, becoming proactive IT. Making IT transparent, providing seamless experiences with automation and data-driven, because this should be part of our DNA. And we aim to eliminate any frustration and distraction, everything to make our employees' workday as smooth as possible. And now I ask you, it's a nice dream, right? So how we can make the dream come true? And the answer is easy: data. Because we strongly believe that better decisions start with being data-driven. And to be data-driven, we need the right tool. And for us, one of the key tools is Nexthink. But is the Nexthink, is the tool just enough? Having the right tool is just the beginning. You need a strategy to use it and to adopt it. Because integrate DEX into your strategy is essential for success. DEX has become a crucial part to understand our employees, our ecosystems, our problems, but also to solve and prevent them. How we can really make this happen, how we can integrate that into our strategy. And as we talk about numbers, start easily. Define KPIs for your goals is the perfect way to measure success. What do you want to achieve? What are the focus areas you want to do it? This year, we have defined with our partner Accenture 13 KPIs. We are now in the process to define the next ones. Be realistic, be ambitious, but with a full determination to achieve it. And for sure, you must start now. You will learn from the journey, and you will be better when you define the next ones. And for sure, enjoy the ride. Now let's talk about adoption. because Nexthink should be part of every conversation you have with your teams, in your services, in your projects. It should be a foundation element that goes with you into every step you do. Today, before we start any project, right, we ask three main questions. What information do we need? What do we want to monitor? And what do we want to get out of this information? Set the strategy for how to use Nexthink from the beginning to the end of your projects. And I want to show you one of the examples Nexthink is helping us is with the Windows 11 migration that I'm sure many of you is facing or has faced. So Nexthink has helped us, first of all, since the beginning, with pre-built dashboards to help us to identify device readiness, that we can better prepare for a better deployment. We have also identified key blockers for Windows 11 that we can also plan remote actions to solve these blockers, such as this space, but also to identify outdated devices and also to do a better planning of our deployment in the Windows 11. Very important also how we can monitor the app performance while doing the migration, but also comparing with the Windows 10 DEX score. And finally, that for me it's one of the biggest one and very important, Nexthink offers us the option to open a door with our employees, to engage with them. Make sure you involve them from the beginning to the end and collect feedback. And one very important key element is Nexthink isn't it just one-time project use. It should be integrated into your daily work. And there are many other ways to use Nexthink. One of my favorites is alerting and campaigns to increase awareness, to solve issues, and to collect feedback. I want to show you two examples. One of them is awareness. We have integrated campaigns into our major incident process because communicate on time to our employees is key. So just an example, when we faced a major incident with CrowdStrike, we were notifying on time to our employees about the issue, but also about the resolution of that. The second example I want to show you is about sustainability. Like, how cool is that we can also contribute with sustainability purposes? So we are using the out-of-the-box campaign that Nexthink offers, where we are offering to our employees to switch to a power plan. We addressed this campaign to more than 23,000 employees, and we achieved that 24% of them were switching to a power plan. Let's talk about automation. This is also one of my favorites, what can I say? So we are one of the top 10 global companies of adopting and the usage of Amplify, with more than 100 remote actions currently implemented. And of course, our focus is always like how we can be proactive IT, right? So we have more than 10 completely self-heal remote actions, remediations that are completely automated. And I will show you also two examples. First of all, it's about a Teams installation. We were facing some issues when the user was having problems to install the new Teams, right? So then we developed a script that automatically was detecting that and solving it. So we were able to achieve more than 100,000 remediations. And what is more important, we were able to reduce 60% on the tickets for this topic. The next example I want to show you is about the company portal. We had an issue that the company portal was not detected in the devices, and then the users were raising many incidents. So Nexthink was helping us to identify in which devices company portal was not correctly installed, and we were developing the script to do it. And here, it's really amazing. We achieved 95% of reduction for this topic. And many other use cases in more than 200,000 Windows devices we have in our ecosystem. Wow. Why do we do that? Everything to build the best touchless experiences for our employees. Everything to make our employees' life easier, that the business can run better. We build the IT of the future, a touchless IT environment where we empower our employees. What is our vision? Our vision is a self-service portal where our employees can access easily to Nexthink data, but also understand easily, get advice on what actions to take, and execute by themselves remote actions, giving them the full empowerment and control over their own experience. Because IT should be easy. Let's make IT easy. We are the heart of the digital workplace. We are the heart of IT. A body cannot function without its heart. And even if you are not feeling, it's there, beating, and that's us. We are the strategic advisors in the new workplace data-driven, building better experiences to our employees. We are the future of IT. Thank you.